Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got for you a plan with me as part of Vlogmas Day 20. So if you want to see how this Nikki Plus Three kit goes in from my Paperchase Agenzio planner, then stay tuned. So here we are, a blank spread ready to be filled in for the week of Christmas. So I'm planning the week of the 21st to the 27th of December, and I'm using this beautiful kit from Nikki Plus Three called Christmas Morning. So here are some of the little things that came with it. So we have the date cover, the date dots and the weekend banner always come with your kit. If you order the kit on the first weekend of release, you get the bows in the matching colourway. I picked up some extras, so I picked up the icons, which are kiss cut in the colour in the Christmas colours as well, and I also picked up the checklist too, which are somewhere in this. So the checklists were an extra page. So these are the four boxes here. I love the red and the green. I love the woodbird and the flowers. We've also got some quarter boxes, and this is foiled in gold foil. Here we have the bottom washi and the date covers. This is the extra sheet that I picked up, which is the check boxes. So this is a separate sheet to the kit with some quarter boxes on the bottom as well. Then we've got some headers and little half checklists, some quarter boxes, habit trackers, things. We've got some half boxes, some deco, some washi strips, flags, and some scripts. And there we have it. So I'm going to be building it up as normal in my Paperchase Agenzio notebook, which is just a dot grid notebook from Paperchase. I'm just trying to adjust it there so you can kind of see. So I'm going to start by putting down the bottom washi, which in this kit is so pretty. We do have two strips as well. I think I'm going to use them both. I think that's how I should do it. So yeah. Oh, I do need to cut my page as well. So let's do that too. I cut my page so that I can use tabs and it stay within the cover of my notebook rather than being smooshed up outside of the cover. It kind of gives my tabs some protection because they are just sticker tabs since they aren't laminated. So yeah, there we go. And then let's do a strip on the top. Oh, this looks so pretty. I'm actually really glad I'm filming this on the Sunday, the day it goes up. You know, I should have really done it yesterday, but we were just having such a lazy day, me and my husband. We had a really lovely day. And actually, it was probably a good thing that I waited, because actually Boris, obviously our Prime Minister, he changed his mind about Christmas due to a mutation. So yeah, I know it's probably for a good reason, but I can't help but be bummed out by the whole thing. So yeah, our plans are completely different to what we anticipated. Let me just, I've got just some lighting here because we are not doing so good. Okay. Oh. I hope that's better. I don't know. Yeah, so our plans have completely changed now for what we can do for Christmas. We were going to go up to Newcastle. We were a 6-hour drive away and go and spend it with my in-laws. But now, unfortunately, because we only have one day that we can be with them, it's not feasible. It's just not safe to travel. Like, I do a 12-hour round trip in a day to try and spend Christmas Day with them. I know some people can do it, but with 2 young kids and actually wanting to spend the day, it's like 12 hours driving in a 24-hour period, and it just doesn't make any sense. Those are the 12 hours. We're going to be exhausted. I'm not sure how much of Christmas Day we're going to actually enjoy if that was the case. So we've had to make the decision not to go to Newcastle for that day. It's not going to be, I mean, it'll be worth it. We haven't seen his parents in real life since August, but we normally see each other every kind of 6 weeks or so. But yeah, it's not safe. And I wish we could, but we have to be sensible. With in terms of traveling, like it's more the travel that's not safe rather than meeting up with them in terms of COVID wise. It's just the exhaustion. So yeah, kind of gutted, but like I said, I'm glad I kind of procrastinated on this because now I don't have to like put everything down and then have to rip everything up again. I can just or use any like cancelled stickers and stuff, because that's just sad. That's just sad. So yeah, I'm just putting the check boxes down as normal along my bottom row here, and I'm going to use the to do header, sorry, across the top here too. It's fitting this gap quite nicely. There's so much foil in this kit, so lovely. Nikki really does spoil you, and I hope she still ships to the UK after January 1st, because of the new EU laws about VAT. I mean, VAT is just sales tax. It's already added into the price. It's just, you don't have to add it on extra. It's already added on. And obviously the way that taxing is done in different countries is different. So, yes. Never mind. Oh no! The sticker was going to have. Oh. Right. Sticker surgery time. I think I ripped it too fast. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to do the full boxes. I want to use Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas for the here. So that's green up there. Christmas Day is on Friday. And I kind of want that to be dark red for Christmas Day. And then the green. And then let's go out. So we'll do a wood grain and then a dark red. And then we'll go bright red, wood green, dark red. And then use the beautiful patterned foiled headers for above the full boxes. Here we go. So yeah. Ooh. We are going to have Christmas Day together then as the four of us. First time ever. We're normally with either my mum and my sister, or with my in-laws. So a very different Christmas, as I'm sure many people will be experiencing. I'm just going to start building up the sidebar from the bottom. So I want to use these strips of washi here as kind of like chunks in between. I'm going to do this week. And then the Monday through Sunday. Strip of washing, maybe a slightly thicker one, and a bit of meals in it. Cute. And then the habit trackers. Ooh. One and two. Oh, we're gonna have a lot of space here. Probably should save some washing and put it at the bottom. Okay. Oh no, I think we could be okay. And then the last full box is here. And then a flag with some deco. Let's see Santa's hat. Oh, that's so cute. And then I need my December script to go there. Okay, beautiful. As we go across the top then, I want to do my date covers. So we've got the date dots already, which is amazing. I just need to find my tweezers. So we're starting on the 21st. Yeah, my husband's also working all of this week. He doesn't have any days off this week apart from Friday and then the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So he's working Christmas Eve. And because so many people will be off this week, he's got a lot of stuff to do. He's got to do like 2.5 people's jobs in his own time. So yeah, that's going to be tough for him. So I need to be kind of super supportive wife this week, as well as fun mom. But yeah, I think my husband's kind of pleased a little bit that we don't have to travel so far, even for the 5 days. He hates traveling. He gets really stressed out by just going anywhere else. And I do the driving. So it's not the case he has to drive. I do all the driving. I really love to drive. Like, it's one of those things I've just loved doing it. So it doesn't bother me, like, driving. I'll happily do it. Yeah. Okay. I enjoy it. So there we go. And then before I forget, let's do the today headers. I love that she brought in this orange for this kit. I think it's quite different, but I think it adds a warmth to the whole thing. Where does it come from? I think it comes from the florals and the packages. We actually wrap all of our Christmas gifts in like craft paper that we got from Amazon. We got this giant roll that we got last year, and then we just use like baker's twine to wrap all the presents. And I love how it looks. It's so simple and so beautiful. Plus, really recyclable because it's just paper. It's not like coated in glitter or shiny or anything. It's just parcel paper, really. Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. Right. Okay, let me get my scripts and then we can start adding some of those things, and we'll need to add them in throughout the week as well. Okay, so I have my scripts here from Diamond Print Designs. They're both by the same group. They're on this beautiful transparent paper. So I'm able to use all of these. So we've got the Christmas Eve, Christmas Day and Boxing Day, and then I'll pull in my December as well. So yeah, I really like these scripts. The foil is beautiful and it's on a transparent matte paper, so you don't get any of the glare. I talk about these every time I use them and how much I love it. So yeah, so you don't get any of the glare of a foiled sticker, you just get the gorgeousness of the foil. Can you see that? Oh, so good. Okay, so we need some boxes then for our special days. And these are British UK holidays because it does include Boxing Day. And to any Canadians out there, I know that you also do Boxing Day too. So yeah, it's one of my favourite days, the Christmas holidays. So I think I'm going to use this red with the bow for the dark red with the foil for Christmas Day. Got that at the top. And then, let's see, want to use like these different colours here. So I think we'll do Christmas Eve in the green. And then Boxing Day in the peach. And yeah, there we go. That's about it. That's all I have planned. My to-do list for this whole week is chocker. And actually something might be happening on Wednesday, so I'm going to pull in a box here, but I'm not sure. We haven't had plans confirmed yet, but I'm still going to put it in. But yeah, there's going to be lots of different things that we're going to be doing, and I'm not sure which day I want to do all those things on. So a lot of things are going to go in my to-do list, and this week section I need to finish baking. I want to we've done most of the wrapping. I need to wrap up my husband's presents, husband's gifts, and then make a lot of, I'm making the food parcels. I didn't do it on Saturday because of the news, but actually due to this particular plan I may need to get stuff done, which is fine. I can get that done in Monday and Tuesday. And I think I also need to tidy the house, and that's about it really. So I do have these stickers from Harriet Wright Designs, which I kind of want to pull in because they're so pretty. So yeah, so I'm just gonna add some of these beautiful dividers onto this spread. I will be pulling these into my memory spread as well because they're just stunning. I mean, look at this little sleigh. I think we want to do a Christmas exchange, the gift exchange on Christmas Eve. Go around to my sister's house to stand on like their doorstep and do that. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. It's supposed to be cold this week as well, which I'm excited about. I love it when it's really crisp. So we're going to go for a walk actually with my mum on Tuesday. So I use the mittens one. And then possibly on the Sunday as well. We're just going to have a veg. I'm just going to pop these kind of in the middle, break up the day. We'll see. Don't really have anything else to put because I don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, but that's my week, guys. Not very exciting, I appreciate that. But like I said, my plans have changed and it's not going to be the Christmas that we were promised and hoped for, but it is going to be a celebration and we are going to spend it together. Either just the four of us, and maybe see a few people on the doorsteps. But yes, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed me playing with my stickers. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and if you want to, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you tomorrow for another video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Merry Christmas.